Recently, someone from North Carolina called me, and they had been injured in a store that had a hole that should have been fixed, wasn't fixed, wasn't guarded against, and didn't have an orange cone or a flag to let people know the hole was there. They ended up having surgery. They had hardware in their foot, and their doctor said, you might even have to have another surgery. They're being worn down. They're receiving calls from the hospital because the bills need to be paid or the copay needs to be paid, and they're wondering, how long is this going to go on? In order to fully evaluate a case and an injury like this, any good attorney, any experienced attorney needs to understand from the doctor and the medical records what your medical condition is. They need to understand whether you're going to be able to walk on your foot properly again. They need to understand whether you're going to have a second surgery and fuse your foot because the pain's so severe that you can hardly walk. And in order for them to understand that, you, the patient, have to go through the process of being treated by the doctor. And it takes time for all of this medical process to occur and the healing to occur to see where you are and what you're left with at the end of the process. These are the factors that a North Carolina attorney is going to look at in trying to evaluate your case. And that type of evaluation can occur early on, 6 weeks after you've been hurt. So it's frustrating. We understand that it's frustrating, but there's a lot at stake. Are you ever going to be able to stand? Are you ever going to be able to really walk around the mall with your wife without having to stop and sit down when she wants to keep going? It's that kind of thing that needs to be assessed, and it's that kind of thing that a jury is going to look at when they're rendering their verdict. So we need to know where you are at the end of your treatment to be able to evaluate your case. If you're willing, if you're the kind of person that doesn't want to prematurely settle your case and have regrets, call our office and we'll work with you through this process so that in the end we can go and obtain the type of settlement or verdict that is needed to truly make it worthwhile for what you've been through. Call our office. We are here to help.